So let's talk about YouTube. So YouTube, at this point, is really like the second largest search engine on the planet, besides Google, okay? And as far as Google is concerned, no other videos exist on this planet other than YouTube videos. So YouTube videos are extremely important to any social strategy. So according to YouTube and research, upload frequency is extremely important to YouTube's algorithm, okay? The more often, the more consistently you participate in the platform, anything you do upload is going to get more exposure. Total watch time is extremely important for the algorithm. How long someone watches your video, even if they don't like or comment it, just like on Twitter, just like on Instagram, definitely impacts your context exposure to users. Now, this is a big shift, okay? Now, if you would have asked me in 2012, 2013, even 2014, how long should a video be? You know, I would tell you 2-3 minutes because you were looking for the percentage, you're looking to get quick likes, things like that. Well, guess what? Deeper content, and this goes along with Google search engine as well, they're looking for deeper content now. You know, the rule of thumb when you created content for SEO purposes back in the day was 800 characters. Well, Google has said they really want 1,200, 1,400, the longer the better, long-form content. Same thing with videos. The longer the videos, the better you're treated by the algorithm, okay? And there's been a few studies. I cited 2 here over the past couple of years, but there's more. And from my own experience, I've seen it as well, is that 7 to 12 minutes really seems to be the sweet spot for video length, okay? So the longer your video, now it doesn't mean just put filler in there, you know, meaningless 7 to 12 minutes. It still has to be good, solid, useful content. But the longer the video, the longer form, the deeper it goes into a topic, the better. More subscribers, views, likes, comments equals higher priority, obviously. Okay? If people are highly engaged, you have a ton of subscribers, you're going to get priority, you're going to get more exposure. But there is a little bit of a catch-22, and I'm going to give you a tactic on the next slide how to address this in regards to subscribers. Well, how am I supposed to get subscribers to get views, to get likes, to get comments, to get higher priority if I have no subscribers? And there's some tactics around that, which I'll talk about on the next slide. And this drives me insane, okay? Title, description, and keyword tags are important ranking factors. You need to use them. I see too many videos that aren't focused as far as the title, as far as the description, as far as the keyword tags. That's very important. Any elements that impact relevancy, Google, YouTube, everybody said relevancy is an extremely important factor in the YouTube algorithm, okay? And the way you build relevancy is through content. So focus that title on a keyword. Focus that description around the keyword theme. You know, use those keyword tags. It's an extra 10, 15 minutes worth of work. Use the title, use the description, use the keywords tags. You will see improved. You know, help YouTube know what your video is about, okay? You will get more exposure if you do that. And I cited a very deep research paper that was done a couple of years ago that really goes into the algorithm and the neural networks of the YouTube recommendations. So check it out. If you need to get some sleep, that will definitely help you. It's pretty deep, but it goes into the real details, and it still holds up even a couple of years later. So moving forward with YouTube. As I just talked about, optimize your title and description. It's an extra 5 minutes worth of work. It's really going to help you. Just take some time, do it. If you have a ton of videos up that you haven't done anything with the title or the description or the keywords, go back and do it. It's not going to hurt anything. And then place keywords at the beginning of your video title and description. Once again, help YouTube know what your video is about, how they should be placing it. Talked about this in quite length. Create longer videos. Videos with longer watch times are ranked higher than videos with millions of views by YouTube. Period. All right? So just going back to what we talked about on the other platforms. So somebody didn't like, somebody didn't comment, but they watched the whole 8 minutes. That tells YouTube this is worthwhile, that we should rank this higher, this is deeper content. The more in-depth videos that offer value to your viewers, your efforts will absolutely be rewarded. As with all other social platforms, consistently post your videos. Publish videos consistently at the same times, same days. This does work. All right. So once again, with a lot of companies, and LSC Digital is just as guilty as everybody else. We have a flurry of videos and we stop for 3 months. Then we have a flurry of videos, we stop for 3 months. Consistently posting those videos on a regular schedule will help you with the algorithm, will help get you exposure. And here's a little trick I was talking about, which is absolutely completely underutilized to get subscribers for your YouTube channel. So the link to your YouTube channel, just add what I highlighted there. !sub_confirmation=1. Just by putting that, when you go to recruit subscribers for your channel or drive people to your channel, just by adding that at the end of the link, we'll have this pop up. It's very passive. You click anywhere, it goes away. But this is such low-hanging fruit to get new subscribers. It's amazing. I'll leave it up there for a second because nobody uses this. This is such a passive way to get subscribers to your YouTube channel that works. If you drive 1,000 people to your page and only 10% of those people click subscribe, and that's all they have to do, okay? You just got yourself 100 new subscribers. Take that little snippet of code, put it at the end of the link to your YouTube channel, not the link to specific videos. It doesn't work on specific videos. It works on the link to your YouTube channel. Do that today if you're not already doing it. And then just like all the other platforms, encourage discussion and engage with your audience in YouTube comments. Go out, have that conversation. With all these social platforms right now, it's about conversation, it's about being engaged, it's about talking with each other, it's about engaging with each other. All these platforms, it's so important to them now. So go out and do that. Show them, that you care. Show them that you're a real person. Show them you're legitimate. And you will be rewarded. You will absolutely be rewarded. I cannot stress that enough. Go out, talk to people. YouTube definitely wants to hear from you.